Hello and welcome back. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. In today's recipe, we're gonna do soy sauce chicken, and it is simple, quick. It has a nice glaze, sweet and savory. You're gonna love it. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So let's get right to it. So we're gonna start off with 2 pounds of deboned chicken thighs, and you can use breasts if that's what you have. We're going to season this. We're going to start off with some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of white pepper. And just going to give this a good mix. And we're going to set this aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now we're going to work on our sauce. We're going to need water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, rice wine vinegar, a little sesame oil, and we're going to give that a good mix, and we're going to set that aside. Next, we're going to work on our flour mixture. For our chicken, we're just going to give it a light batter, a light coating, right? So we're going to need flour, black pepper, garlic powder, and just give it a good mix. We're keeping it nice and simple. So you're going to take your chicken thighs and you're just going to put them in that flour mixture. Make sure that it's coated really well. And you're going to shake off the excess. Afterwards, you're going to put that on a wire rack to rest. And you're just going to work on the remainder. So this is just going to give it a nice little coat. It's going to give you some texture. It's also going to help for the sauce to adhere to the chicken. And just knock off the excess, right? So to a pan that is heated, you're going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And you're going to add your chicken thighs to this gently. You don't want to burn yourself. And then we're just going to fry on both sides for about 6 to 7 minutes. You want it to be golden like that, right? You want it to have that nice golden color. So don't rush the process. Just leave it and flip it after a few minutes. Next, we're going to remove that from the pan. And we are going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. If you have garlic paste, you can use that as well. And next, we're going to add our prepared sauce. And once that comes to a boil, we're going to let it simmer. We're going to now add our chicken thighs to this. And we're just going to leave it on each side for a few minutes. And next, we're just going to flip, right? So you want to make sure that every surface of the chicken is nicely coated with that amazing soy sauce. And then that is it. You are finito. You're just going to pair this with whatever sides you like. As I said, you can have it with like garlic mash, some sticky rice, or just veg. Perfect. Easy, simple recipe that everyone can enjoy. So please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.